Hi guys, today we're going back to basics and I'm showing you how to use our chromes in different ways. So I'm starting with Serious Black and we're going to do just an all over chrome application. So I'm just going to pop on 2 layers of this. I'm going to make sure it's nice and opaque before we go in with any of our chrome. Make sure to cure for 30 to 60 seconds depending on your lamp. Then pick out whichever of our chrome pigments that you would like and use the little sponge applicator and make sure you use plenty of chrome and rub it all over the nail. You can also do this on top of top coat. It isn't quite as grippy, so you do have to rub it in a little bit more, but that is another option too. Once that's well covered, I'm just going to buff that into the nail completely and then take a little bit of sponge and just remove any excess chrome so there's not any glitter particles left on top. Then I'm just going to take some top coat just to seal in the chrome. We do recommend using 2 layers of top coat when you're using chrome just to protect it. And there's that one done. Next, we're on to chrome liquids. So these are super easy to use and not very messy. So take Serious Black, put 2 coats of that on. Once that's cured, we're going to take our liquid chrome of your choice and just make sure the nail's fully covered. You're going to leave that to air dry for a few seconds and then take a piece of sponge and buff it into the nail. It'll make it super shiny. And finally, we're just going to top coat the whole entire nail to seal it in. That's how simple our liquid chrome is. Next, we're using our Eye Pigment Powder. So if you haven't seen this before, you just need to mix a little bit with some base coat. Just using one of our resin palettes here, I'm just going to dab on some base coat and drop a little bit of the pigment in there. And you just want to make sure it's really, really well mixed together. You don't want it to be grainy at all. So just using a gel brush, make sure you get that fully incorporated. You're just going to use a Serious Black base again and just go over the top of this nail. Make sure it's nice and smooth, and as you can see, it goes on really well pigmented. Leave that uncured and then just take your magnet and do whatever pattern you want as you would with cat eye normally. Once that's cured for 30 to 60 seconds, I'm just taking some top coat to seal that in as well. And that's our cat eye chromes. And finally, I'm going to do some isolated chrome. So for this one, I'm just using Mariana Trench as the background colour. And I'm just going to do 2 coats of this again, just to make sure it's fully opaque. Make sure to cure in between your layers for 30 to 60 seconds as well. Once that's cured, I'm taking our gel top coat nail sealer, and this is my foolproof way of doing isolated chrome. So if you use this top coat and cure that for 30 to 60 seconds, you're then just going to buff down the entire top layer of this. And what this is going to do is create a matte surface that the chrome can't stick to. I'm just going to dust that nail off, and then I'm taking Serious Black, and chrome sticks best to our Serious Black than any of the other colours. It's just the best formula for it. So I'm using a dotting tool and just popping on 2 dots, and I'm just going to create some stars by dragging those dots up, down and to the sides, and they'll just make them look nice and twinkly. Once that's done, I'm just adding some dots around the nail, and that'll just make them look extra twinkly. And then I'm going to pop them in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. And then I'm just taking one of our chrome pens and buffing that over the Serious Black. And as you can see, it's only sticking to those sections that I've painted in Serious Black. Just dust off the rest with a sponge, and then we're just going to top coat. And again, you might want to pop on 2 layers of top coat just to protect that chrome. And that's our foolproof way of doing some isolated chrome. So just to recap, we've got our chrome powders, we've got our liquid chromes, we've got our cat eye chrome powders, and then we've done some isolated chrome as well. Don't forget to head on over to our website to get all these products.